Today I'm going to show you how to amend your personal income tax return. Grab your original return, download Form 1040X from the IRS, and let's get started. Let's assume that you received an interest income of $300 after you filed your return. Now that we have the original return, we are going to fix the original return, more than likely redo it. Along with that return, you need to file Form 1040X. And that's what I'm going to show you now and how we're going to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it manually, but the software, similar process. First, we are going to find adjusted gross income. This is going to be normally on line 11 of the 2024 income tax return. You get that information. So let's assume that your adjusted gross income from line 11 from the regular 1040 says $60,000. So the adjusted gross income original amount was $60,000. Now you are going to make that change, and the $300 that you received in interest income that was not originally reported. So now the correct amount then is $60,300. It's usually better to include the form that you received. It gives the IRS the reason with substantiation for the increase. I have seen where the IRS will require proof for any changes. I have seen it where they won't. It's usually best to just include proof so you avoid any kind of letters or communication with the IRS. Assuming that for the year you paid $3,000 in taxes. So this is the original amount, $3,000. That's what you owed in taxes for that particular year. Now, because you received $300 in interest income, you will owe an additional $100. So the correct amount for tax for the particular year is $3,100. What we have to remember is there was a lot of little things that went on the original return. You received a refund, more than likely, because you had additional funds withheld. So now we've got to calculate how that's going to play on this form. On the form, you will see that it will say total payments of tax, and everything will be kept on the correct amount column. Total payments made during the year. So you made $3,500 in payments. When you filed the original return, it'll say overpayment on original return. So it was $500. So what happened is they refunded you the $500 because your original tax was $3,000. Okay, you received $500 in a refund. To understand this correctly, if line 11, column C, so the payments for the year, line 11, column C, is more than line 19, then the amount you owe is $100. This is on the form. If you follow the steps one at a time, you'll be able to see, and you can refer to this video to give you some guideline as to what's really happening at the bottom of Form 1040X. Originally, you got a refund of $500. Now we received more income. So now you got to return your refund, part of your refund, back to the IRS. Because of this change, now you owe the IRS $100. I know this can be a little complicated. It'll take some time to do this. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll either try to make a video or answer to your questions. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.